Once upon a time that never was, in 1832, in an England that never existed, in the reign of King James III.
A great house stood in the midst of fields and woods and lake, and the snow fell like night.
A mother lies in her bed, resting as her husband wipes her brow. A girl stands by a great window, watching a robin circle the rowan tree.
Meanwhile, far away in London, another girl, a frail and timid mouse, who hides behind her own shadow, boards a train for a perilous journey across this famished, frozen land.
It is dusk, white winter dusk. Flakes fall on the roadside. There is movement in the trees, and hungry eyes watch, closely, attentively. Yellow eyes flicker, ears prick, sinews stiffen.
On the icy road of compacted snow, footprints merge with paw prints.
Snow lies thick on the roof of the Chase, as smoke drifts from one of the chimneys, dotted amongst the turrets and windows and balconies, drifting upward from the warm and inviting fire, lit in the playroom of little Bonnie Green, who dances impatiently before the great window overlooking the snow-covered road, waiting, dreaming, watching.